Playing chess online with friends on Facebook. In today's video, you are going to learn how to play chess online with friends on Facebook. So let's get started. First, go to Google web browser and search for chess.com. In the results section, you will see this link. Click on this link and you will be redirected to their website. Now log into your account and click on the play option in the dashboard. Now you will see other option that says play online, play on computer, play a friend, tournaments or chess variants. Click on play a friend and then you will be redirected to this page which shows option find Facebook friends. Now click on that option or create challenge link. By using both of these options, you will be able to play game online with friends. That's all. Thanks for watching. That's how you will be able to play chess online with friends on Facebook.